welcome to Richard Gobili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add dictionary on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the General. Then in the General, scroll down again and tap the Dictionary. Then after that, in this part in the dictionary, if you want to add some of the dictionaries that you want, then all you have to do is just tap until there's a check mark on the side. For example, you want to add Arabic English, then tap. You want to add Chinese Simplified, then tap. You want to add Chinese Traditional, then tap. And many more. And that's it. We have successfully added dictionary on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!